In this video, I'm going to show how I created this stylized shading effect in Blender. Starting with the unshaded model, I created a small 6x7 pixels with one color per pixel in the image, and the colors that I want to blend between are next to one another. Next, switch to the front view in the 3D view by pressing 1, and then go into Edit. Then select the sections that you want to shade just by pressing L. So I'll select the leaves part of the tree. Then select UV, project from view. So what this will do is this will map each of the coordinates in the view onto the texture. So over here in the texture, then what I want to do is I want to flatten out this texture along the height that's been projected. So in this case, what I want to do is I want to select all of them, and I want to scale along the x-axis by 0. Then, because my colors are laid out horizontally, I just rotate this 90 degrees, and then just move it to the colors that I want to shade. So the top coordinates, UV coordinates, will be this side of the texture, and the bottom UV coordinates will be this side of the texture. So you can see that it's shaded from light to dark. If I want to shade it even more, I can just scale it up and I get more of a shading. So for the trunk, I want to do the same, but I want to go from dark up under the leaves to light down at the base of the tree. I'll select the trunk part of the model using L, UV project from view. It's mapped it all over to the texture. Select all of the points, scale by X0, scale it down, rotate it by -90 this time because I wanted to go from dark up the top to light down the bottom, and scale that out. You can see it's gone now from dark to light. The great thing about this method is that if I want to change the color of the leaves, I can just select the whole model again. Let's say I want to make the leaves red. I just move the leaf mapping up to red, and I now have red leaves.